In front of me is our 10X Lite, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then reach System and Updates, and here you will notice date and time. And now you can smoothly unmark the automatic date and time by using the switcher, and now you can pick date and time manually by yourself. So all you need to do is to tap on date, and here pick the date. Let's go back in time to 2008, tap on OK then. And the same way you can change the hour. Tap on OK to save the changes. You can also personalize your time zone, smoothly pick time zone. And here just choose the one that you would like to apply. You can either scroll the way down, or you can search time zone in the search area. Just enter the one that you would like to get. And this is it. This is how you can manage date and time. Obviously, whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just mark the switcher, and from now on date and time will be set up automatically. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.